Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to connect an API with your WordPress website step by step. Whether you want to pull in live weather, social media posts, or product data, APIs let your site interact with other platforms. Let's dive right in. First of all, what an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of it like a breeze. It lets your WordPress site talk to other websites or apps and pull data. Example: if you connect to a weather API, you can show live weather updates on your site. Cool, right? Let's choose an API to connect. I will use the Open Weather Map API as an example. So now go to Open Weather Map org. Sign up for free account. Create an account, then username and email. Then password. Then check the box. Then create account. Enter your company name. Then purpose for advertising. Then save. Now go to API keys. Then generate. Now it look like a long string of letters and numbers. Copy that key. You will need it to authenticate requests from WordPress. There are two main ways to connect an API in WordPress. Use a plugin or write custom code using functions.php. Let's start with plugin method. Install a plugin like WP Get API. Go to plugin section, then search for WP Get API and enter, and click on that. Then activate and install it. Enter the base URL. Click add new API, then enter the base URL from wget API settings. Add parameters like q equal to London and add your API keys as applied your keys. Click save and test the connection. You will see live data from the API. To show API data on a page, WP API gives you a shortcode. Copy the shortcode and paste into a blog post, a widget, or a custom page. You can format it using basic HTML or use a page builder like Elementor to style it nicely. If you are using custom code, go to Appearance, then Editor, then function.php, and enter the custom code, then use the shortcode. Here are some quick tips. Never hard code API keys in public files. Use wp-config.php or environment variables. Cache API results with a plugin like WP Super Cache to reduce load time. Always read the API's rate limits so you don't get blocked. Also, always use HTTPS endpoints to keep your site secure. And that's it. You have now learned how to connect an API with your WordPress site using both plugins and code. This opens up to many possibilities: live feeds, currency rates, stock prices, weather, and more. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more API tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.